So this is my tweet scheduler application. It's quite simple, to be honest, but quite convenient. So essentially, why did I build this application? To be honest, there are too many reasons. One of them is the fact that, yes, on Twitter you can schedule stuff, but it's a little bit annoying. It's okay if you schedule something once, but not if you want to be really active on the platform, not if you want to plan content for the next 30 days, right? Because let's say many of the Twitter pros, people with large followings, will tell you you need to be posting at least 3 times per day. You need to have tight schedule, etc. There are multiple books, and there's a particular book that I'm reading. But regardless, this is not powerful enough. And then the second problem is that anything that is remotely useful that you'll find on the internet is a subscription, like $10, $20 or more. I don't want to pay that much. I'm not a power user. I don't know. If I'm someone super famous, maybe it's worth it. For me, it's really not. And then realistically, a lot of these apps are quite simple, if I have to be honest, because Twitter has a pretty nice API. In the end of the day, for the most part, I'm submitting just text and I want to be sent at a particular time. And I built it around my workflows. So let me show you the app. So essentially, when you open the app, you have the calendar view. Honestly, pretty standard. Like I copied the Apple calendar, always starts on Monday, etc. And now I've built it a little bit around myself, but essentially one of the books that I'm reading, it says you should be posting 3 times per day, 9, 1 o'clock, and 5 o'clock, Central European time. Optimal times, yada yada. So essentially what I'm normally doing is, first I'll spend some time to plan my content. So I'll sit down and plan content for, I don't know, at least a couple of days in advance. As you can see right now, I have almost more than a week of content, which is something pretty nice. And once I have it written down, for me it's very simple. I can either pick a particular slot, let's say, I don't know, let's start here. And let's say I pick this slot. Now the nice thing that I've done is that I click here and it's already pre-selected the day, time, etc. But now the other nice thing that I've done is that, and here I have all of the options, like I can attach media, include a poll, make it like a thread, etc. I have, if you add it, you can do multiple accounts, etc. And then the nice thing is that when I press save, okay, I'm running the project for the first time in some time. It already automatically prepares the next tweet, which is the same day, a little bit later. Yeah, and then you can just bam, 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 smash them. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say, yeah, on hover, you see the tweets. Obviously, you can edit them, delete them, etc. How does it work? This is a native macOS app written in Swift. Then for all of the scheduling, I'm using Supabase. And to make sure that everything gets triggered, I've deployed the code on GitHub and I use GitHub Actions, which essentially do run cron jobs. I've set them for every 20 minutes. So that's about it. My plan will be to make this, obviously I'll make it open source and I'll just need to write a proper tutorial how people could set this up themselves. And essentially the nice thing is that on Supabase, I don't pay anything to schedule and the numbers are pretty insane. On Twitter, you also don't pay unless you post really a lot, like a couple hundred tweets per month and only through the API. And also on GitHub and the GitHub Actions and the cron job, it's also free. So essentially, I think if you download the app within 10 to 15 minutes of setup, you can be saving yourself $15, $20 per month. So yeah, that's pretty much the app.